All right. So as you see here inside your book, page number 16, if you imagine the gas or the air around you as particles, all these dots are the particles. But if something is a gas, the particles are further apart. You see the dots here in between all the dots, they are further away. So that's why when you compress them, when you put in a syringe, you can press them until they get closer together like this. And a liquid is, as you can see here, the liquid also have particles, but the particles are very quite close together. That's why it's very difficult for you to press them or compress them. So if you want to try, you can take your syringe, you can put some water in, and then you can try to press. If you don't let any of the air come out through the tip, it's very, very difficult for you to compress. The most you can make the plunger move is just a tiny amount only. See that? Only a tiny amount. But if it's air inside the syringe, I can compress up to here. See, there's a lot of compression. Because the particles are further away, I can press the air particles until they're very, very close together like that. Okay? So far, anyone have any question? No, no question? Carrie, no question, Carrie?
No.
All right, very good. So let's see this one. Let's continue. So if you want to do this, do you have the extra syringe? You guys have another syringe, right? Can you guys do now? Do the same thing and take some water. First, you do without the water, and then you press, and then you try another time with water inside the syringe. I want you to give it a try first.
We use one syringe.
The what?
We use one syringe.
Yes, you just use one syringe. So first, it will be empty. It will be filled with air like this, and then you cover the tip, and then you press. Don't let the air come out. See, you can press a lot, and then you just take the same syringe and fill up with water. That, and then cover the tip and compress. Okay, try it. Carrie, can you compress the water, the liquid?
Wait.
Okay, go try first. Eden, I think I thought a little bit about this last week, right? Okay. I thought teacher Azurul will teach this week, but she's still busy this week, so I will be here again. Alright, I think Eden and EJ, did you try this last week already or haven't? I think EJ already tried. Okay, never mind. Carrie and Kimberly and Sean Ming, once you're done, you tell teacher, okay?
I'm done.
Did you try it already? Okay, Kimberly is done. What about
I'm done.
done already? You managed to try already, right? Okay, so my table is already wet. Alright. So I want to show you guys this. Many of you know already, but the next part we need to learn about is called the Pascal's law. I'm going to share this again. Okay, see that? That's Pascal's law. So in your book, page 17, Pascal's law states that the pressure applied to any parts of a confined fluid transmit to every other part with no loss. Right, the pressure acts with equal force on all equal areas of the confining walls and perpendicular to the walls. So I'm going to start by showing you this. Inside this syringe, I fill it up with water, and the whole tube also has water. The whole pipe also is filled with water. See what happened when I press one syringe. Look at what happened to the other syringe. Once I press, it automatically pushed the other syringe out. If I pull the syringe out, the other plunger will go in. Okay, so that is Pascal's law. Whatever force I put on this side, because remember, the water cannot be compressed. If we put air inside here, there will be some energy loss. But because this water here, you cannot compress, whatever amount of force you put here, maybe I push this very hard. You see, the same amount of force will travel through the pipe and then go to the other side. That's why if you go to like a mechanic shop or something, they will have something like this. It's called a hydraulic. So you put force on one side, all this liquid here will push up on the other side. So whatever thing you need to carry, like heavy load, you can just use a small force like this. I just use a small force. I can use that to lift things up. So if I put something here on a board, I can just lift it up or push it down just by using force on the other side. It's the same thing that's inside your car. Your car has a brake. That brake also use this. So there's a brake fluid, it travels through a tube and then it goes to your car. So whenever your mom or dad press the brake pad, it will travel, the energy will travel, and then this part will come out and push on your wheels. So your wheel will get slower and slower. All right. So far, anyone have any question? Carrie, you understand? No question, right? Okay. Pascal's law. We are going to watch one video and then we are going to continue from last week. Okay. Don't worry, not much else to do because you are already halfway done. Okay, let's watch this. That's the Pascal's law. So if you have a confined liquid, it's the person who figured this out, the scientist, is called Blaise Pascal. From the year 1623. So it's a very, very long time ago. Okay. So all the force that you pressure that you put like this, all the pressure exerted anywhere in a mass of confined liquid. See, this is confined liquid inside a confined space or a closed space. It will be transmitted in all direction to the liquid. So if you put like this, the force will go everywhere along the tube and until here. That's why it will push up. This is the brake pad. You see that? Whenever you're driving, this is the brake. You press on the brake, and then what happened? It will press on your car. Let's see. Inside your car, they don't usually use water. They use a different liquid. It's called a brake fluid. So something like an oil. It's a bit oily. See, there are piston there and a cylinder. So whatever you press on one side, the other side will come out. So it will be the same equal amount. So if I put one amount of force here, the opposite side will also have one amount of force, but in opposite direction. See that? I'm going to skip a little bit, okay? So this is what it looks like. This is the reservoir of brake fluid here, and then it connects. This tube is connecting to your car. See that? So what happened is you press the brake pedal and it will also go through the tube. All the force you put on the brake pedal will travel through the tube and then it will press on the disc brake. See that? Okay, that's your foot pedal. So if you press on them, see what happened to the wheels. See, it will press out and then your tire will slow down. See that? So inside, when you press your brake pedal, you press on the wheels from the inside, that will slow down your car. So that is a little bit about how you can use hydraulics, okay? All right. Wait, hold on. Let's
Teacher,
continue. Yes?
can I go get my charger for my laptop?
Yeah, sure, sure. We can
Thank
wait for
you.
you while I'm opening the other part. All right, everyone else, can you take out your book and go to page number 20? So these are some application of hydraulics. So like this one that I showed you before, you press on one side, if you and then it will come out, all the force will come out to the other side. If you want to use less energy, you can make this part, can you see here? This part a bit smaller, the other side a bit thinner. So you can use a small amount of force and then the other side will get a lot of force and then you can push up a car just by pressing with your hands. And then same thing with a crane. This is what we are going to make today. So a hydraulic crane has a lot of moving parts, things that go down, things that scoop up, go up, and need all the moving parts in order to build a properly functioning crane. So all of these parts have their own hydraulics that people can control from inside the cab. Inside where the driver is, they have a lot of lever they can push. So to get things to move in and out, in and out. Okay, so that's the application of your hydraulic crane or hydraulics in general. All right, guys, are you ready to start? I know everyone else is very expert already. Cannot wait to start. But believe me, guys, it's almost done. You guys are already halfway there. So it'll be very easy today. All right, now I want to remind you guys something, okay? The wood pieces, you have a lot of wood pieces. Some of them are a bit loose. So it's fine. You can just use some double-sided tape or glue. You can use any strong glue you have. And then not if not necessarily now, even when we after we finish class and then you find, oh, this one is not very strong after you play with it a few times, then you can just take apart and then put a bit of glue. All right, guys? Okay. So we are going to start today by taking pieces number 14. Number 14, number 1. Number 14. And then number 1. And 3. And 12. Wait, you should have another number 1. What's the other number 1? What's the number 1? Wait, you should have two number 1.
Yeah, there's two number ones.
Okay, don't worry. You guys just continue. You take out two number 1, okay? So, for number 12, wait, let's start with number 3 first. Number 3, you're going to put in the middle of this, like that. Number 1, one over here, and another one over here. Okay? So, let's take out number 1. Put on one side, like this. And then take another number 1 and put over here. And number 3, you're going to put in the middle. It's fine. It's okay. All right. All done? Put number 1, 3, and another number 1.
I'm not done.
Okay. It's you're not done yet? Okay. Continue. Once you are done, give me thumbs up.
I don't have the labels.
You don't have the label? What do you mean?
I don't have the letters.
Oh, you didn't write the numbers on here?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, Kimberly. Number 3 looks like this, and number 1 looks like this because we already take out all the pieces. Kimberly, you find these pieces? Yes, okay, very good. So this one, you should have two of this. This one, you have one. Okay, the number three one, the bigger one, you're going to put in the middle of this big two pieces. And then number one, you're going to put at this side. Oh, Kimberly, I thought, oh, you didn't write any numbers at all?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Who is done with number one and number three? All right, very good. Next, take out number 12. Number 12 looks like this, Kimberly. All right, so this one, I want you to put on the biggest hole here. You see that? That's a very big hole. And then you're going to put it sideways like this. You see these two parts? These two pointy part here. So just take one side here and put inside the hole. This one can easily move around. See that? It can swivel around. That's why it's quite loose. So once you put this in, then you can take the other piece of number 14 and sandwich them together.
Do I put it in the big hole?
Yes, you put it on the big hole, like this sideways, Kimberly. It's a bit loose because this is going to turn around. Okay? So you take the other one and then you sandwich on top. So you be careful with this one, okay? This one might fall. So make sure everything match. Everything aligns.
Done.
Who is done? Who's that?
Eden.
Oh, Eden is done. Anyone else done?
I'm done.
Okay. Sean Ming is done. Carrie, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, Carrie is done. What about Ijia?
Done.
Okay, very good. Now we wait for Kimberly, okay? Okay, you see this one? One side of it will be like that. You see that? It will swivel around. That's why it's quite loose when you start.
Done.
Okay, very good, Kimberly. All right, now we want to combine this with the rest of your build. Ta-da! Okay, how are we going to combine that? I'm not actually at home. Oh, this table is a bit small. I'm going to turn this around. Okay, see that? We are going to combine this over here. So how are we going to do that? Look at the side of this that is wider. You see this side is smaller. This side is bigger. See that? So I want you to hold it like this. This part is facing the front. This part that is moving here is facing the front. The wider part is facing the top and the smaller side is facing below. Okay? And then I want you to take your long metal rod. Okay. We are going to put into this hole. You see, this is the big hole where we put number 12. This hole is the hole we want to look at. So where this hole we want to combine to this at the top part of this piece over here. So you put this together. Remember the hole below the big hole. This one. This is your big hole. This is the smaller one. The smaller one below the big hole. You slide inside here and then take your long metal rod and combine them together. And you can put your
Stopper.
yes, you can put your stopper on each side. You put one on the left and one on the right. Like that. See that? Remember, the smaller side, the thinner side is facing down. This part that is sticking out towards the front of your crane.
And done.
Very good, Kimberly.
Done.
Okay, then it's done.
Teacher.
Yes? Okay, very good. Yes,
This part of it,
exactly.
it can't really bend forward that much.
It cannot really bend forward that
Like this is
much.
the maximum I can bring it forward.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. No worries. No worries. All right. We are going to continue now. You remember this syringe? Guys, Carrie and Sean Ming just now, don't worry because all these parts can move on. Because like if you move your syringe, you can go up and go down. So if any part you feel like a bit difficult to put together, you can just move them around. So don't worry. All right. Now, can you guys take out one more metal rod? We want to combine the end of this syringe. See here, the end of this syringe to the top hole. See that at the end here? So you're going to take use your metal rod, and then you're going to combine your syringe to this hole here. So you're going to take your metal rod, put into the hole at the top, and then bring your syringe forward, and then put through the holes on your syringe. Come out to the other side. As I said, if a bit difficult to put in because the size don't match, you can just move the plunger up and down to make it easier for you to put in the metal rod. Okay? So the metal rod is in.
And done.
Very good.
Done.
Okay, that is done. Alright. Let me see again who's done. Eden is done. Who else?
I'm done.
Okay, EJ, can you turn on your camera so I can see you? Sean Ming and Carrie also. If you don't want me to see your face, you can just point your camera towards your crane so I can see your crane. Alright. Okay, Kimberly also done. Alright, can we continue now? Oh, okay, very good, very good. Okay. Let me see, let me see. Okay, you just need to put in the stopper. Okay. Sean Ming almost there. Okay. Can we continue now?
I need to charge my laptop.
Need to charge your laptop. Okay, quickly go get your laptop. While waiting, everyone take out pieces number 19 and 20.
Wait, teacher.
Yes.
For the bottom one, where
Yes.
is it supposed to be again? Because it accidentally came out while I was playing with it.
It was
Where is-
leaking.
Huh? No, the bottom syringe. Can you show me where you're supposed to put it? Because it
Oh,
accidentally came.
I
Right.
yeah,
It's
at
supposed
the
to go
end,
to
the
the
far end.
tube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inside the other syringe. Eden,
Yeah.
later we are going to test if if the tube here, if the pipe here is too long because it's bending a lot and then it's pushing all the wood pieces out, we can cut a little bit. So we finish first and then you try, and then got any problem later we are going to fix, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because that one might be a bit long. All right, now take out number 19 and 20. All right, number 19, guys, forgive me, okay, because I already done this part, because this one need to use cable tie. I cannot take out anymore. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to do this part. So number 19, you have number 19 and then this is number 20. You see these 4 points at the sides here, 4 points at the corner. Okay, you're going to take one number 19. This looks like this, Kimberly. Number 19 looks like this. Okay, very good. Number 20 looks like this. Okay. So on the big hole over here on number 19, one you're going to put on the left, one you're going to put on the right. Like that. Okay. And then while waiting, you just hold it like this. Alright. Can, right? Okay, ignore the syringe and the cable tie first. Okay. Alright, can we continue now? Next, I want you to take number 16. This is what it looks like, Kimberly. Okay, very good. So you are going to take this. You see the two big holes at the on number 16 there. You are going to take the top part of number 19. This part that looks like the letter L upside down. Put inside the two holes on number 16. You it goes all the way down. See, it will stick out like that.
But still loose.
Yeah, it still moves. Don't worry. Because after you're done, okay, continue first. Okay, Shanming, okay. Continue. Put in. Eden, okay. You just hold them like this, okay? Because they're not done yet. We are going to hold them until we finish with the next step. All right, Shanming, all the way down. Okay, very good. And next, let's take out this one. This is piece number 21. It looks like this. So number 21 is going to lock all the pieces together. You see that? There's space there. So you're going to take this number 1 and slide it in. And then you're going to push it all the way in. So it will lock everything together. See that? Again, okay, if you missed that part, it's sticking out on top here, so you can use this. This is number 21 to slide in and lock everything in. Lock everything together.
Miss Anani,
Yes.
can I go to the toilet?
Yeah, sure. We'll wait for you, okay?
Done.
Alright, Eden done already. Eden, can you show me? Okay, very good. Eden, I think you can press in even more. You see that? Mine, see the level of this 21 is the same as the things that stick out there. No, you can press in even more. See that? Mine is not even sticking out. It's the same level as this. See that? The top part and number 21 here is the same level. Okay. Chanming, can you show teacher? Carrie and Yijia, can you show teacher also? All right, very good. Yes, it's all the way in. Good job. Carrie and Yijia, can you turn on your camera and show teacher? Okay. All right, very good. Now, you see if you look, okay, very good. Digiting. Okay, very good. Now, if you look from, this is the top part. This is the part that we did already. If you turn it upside down, you can see there's a hole. Again, this is what we did just now. If you turn it upside down, you see there's a hole there. You can take one of your screws and put the screw in. Okay. So that way, this will be very, very tight. See, from below, from top, you can also see this piece number 21 also there's a hole. But you're going to put in screw by turning it upside down and then put in from below.
Done.
Done already? Okay, let me tell Kimberly first. Kimberly, this one we already did, right? This part. I want you to turn it upside down and look at the hole there. I want you to take one of the screws and put the screw in. Alright, when Kimberly is done, then we're going to continue. Okay, guys? Alright, very good, Charmaine. Carrie, are you done putting in the screw? I think Carrie and Eden are done. Kimberly done? Or not yet? Okay. Can we continue now or not yet?
Yes.
Can, right? Okay, Kimberly, are you done? Kimberly, are you done now? Oh, you cannot hear teacher.
Teacher, I'm done.
Oh, okay. Yuji, okay. Kimberly already put in the screw. Okay, very good, very good. All right, next. Let's take out number 22. Number 18. A bit closer a bit. 22, 18, 15. 22, 18, and 15. This one is also 15. 15, you have 3 pieces, right? No need, you just need 2 pieces of 15. Kimberly, this is what they look like, okay? Alright. Okay, everyone done? This part I want you to see first, okay? I want you to see first. Look at number 18. Look at the shape. You can see the shape is not perfect semicircle, right? Because this part is a bit pointier. See, this part is a bit pointy. This part is just normal angle. See that? So we are going to start from the pointy end over here. We are going to take number 22. Number 22, one side has this triangle shaped sharp part over here. I want you to put it this way. Remember, we are going to start with the pointy part. So when you put this, make sure this triangle part is sticking outwards. Like that. Okay. Okay, very good. Then take out number 15. You're going to put next to number 22 and another number 15 also next to it. So you have something like this. 15, 20, 15, 15, 22. Right, like that. Okay, very good, Eden. 15, 15. Kimberly is almost done. Okay, Kimberly, very good. Not yet, Kimberly. Don't put the other side yet. Okay, Charming done already. Carrie and Ijia, can?
Yes.
All right, very good, very good. Don't put the other side yet. Don't put the other number 18 yet, okay? Because there's one more piece we have to put. This one. Okay. look at this. I want you to follow the orientation. You see this part? This part you're going to put on the inside because we are going to put this inside the hole. See that? These two pointy part here, it can go inside the hole. But which direction? So make sure this part, this number 20 that is moving around, near number 15. Like that. See that? This part is moving, it's near number 15. Don't turn the other way. This one is wrong because this number 20 that is moving here is far away from 15. Turn it this way, so it's near there. And then this part is on the inside of your, this will be your excavator. Wait, hold on. Wait. Wait, guys, hold on. I think kind of like this, as long as it fits. You see that? As long as it fits. We don't want any gap. After that, then only you can take the other piece of number 18 and put on top. So you have like an excavator bucket. Actually, wait, let me see. Let me see yours. Can I see your excavator? Is it the correct orientation? Because it's supposed to go this way. But, did I put it wrongly? Oh no. Can I see yours, Kimberly? Okay. Okay. Can I ask everyone to look at mine first, see if you did it correctly or not? Because mine, I think, is a bit wrong. When I put this together, this number 16, this part should be near the small hole. Can you look at yours? This part on number 16 here should be near the small hole. Is yours like this or different?
Different.
Different. Okay. Then, can you take out and do again? You just take out the screw. And then put them together again. See, you just turn it the other way. So this part is near the small hole. Okay, and then you combine them together again. So when you put this here, then it will match. Okay. Okay, you understand what I mean, right? This part over here on number 16, this part should be near small hole. Okay, not near the big hole. Sorry, guys. Lucky you guys are so fast.
Wait, so is it? How do I? So I think it's right. So this one is near here.
Yes, very good. I think yours is already correct, Eden.
Okay.
Okay, very good. If it's already correct, then you no need to redo. You
Okay.
just look at this. Okay, wait. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, Shanming is done. Shanming, hold first, okay? Hold on first. We wait for all of our friends and then we'll show you one more time, see if it's correct or not. Okay, and then I'm going to put number 21 in back inside again. Okay, that. We are almost done. Okay, don't worry, we are almost done. Okay, everybody can? Alright. So once you have this, when you put this inside the hole over here, you can see it will actually match. So number 20 will be near number 15. See this? Remember, like I told before, this part that is spinning around, that's rotating around, it will be near number 15. So when you put them together like this, so you can see that this part is near number 15 and is facing out. Okay, after that, then only you combine the other side of number 18. Then you have your excavator bucket. It will look like this. Kimberly, what's wrong? I cannot hear you, Kimberly. Kimberly, are you wearing an earphone? Because I cannot hear you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, now I can hear you. Okay, what is it? You're done?
This can't pick the things up.
Oh, not yet, because we're not done yet. Okay, who is done? Okay, Eden is done. Kimberly is done. Yijie, Seanming, and Carrie.
No. It's a bit hard to align it.
Oh, I understand. It's because you need to align all the pieces, then only you press in, right? It's okay, take your time. We are almost done, guys. Again, ignore my syringe, okay? Pretend it's not there. Alright, Carrie done?
Yeah.
Okay, Yijie and Seanming, when you're done, tell teacher, okay? Done. Okay, Yijie is done. I think Seanming, is it still difficult or done already?
I'm not done yet.
Not done yet. Okay, we wait for Seanming first. While waiting for Seanming, I want you to take one of this metal rod and put one stopper at the end. Just get it ready for after. We're going to use this afterwards.
Long
So one metal rod,
Is it
yes,
long
and
or
then just use the short one. Or any metal rod. I think you're done. I think you have used all of your metal rod already, right?
There's one more.
Oh, there's one more. Okay, you find a short one. And then you just put one stopper at the end. And then get it ready for after this. Okay? When Seanming is done, we immediately tell teacher. Okay, Seanming?
I'm smoking.
What is that? What are you smoking? Are you smoking the metal rod?
Yeah.
Kimberly, everyone is asking for you. Especially Ginger. Where's Kimberly? I think Ginger miss you a bit.
Okay, I'm done, teacher.
Okay, Shaming, can you take one metal rod and put stopper at the end? Because we want to combine this to our crane. See that? All right. Now, everyone, let's look carefully at teacher first. I want you to turn number 20 the other way. Like this one, if it's like this, I want you to turn number 20 the other way. And then the small hole here, we are going to connect to the small hole near the end down here. So that's why we need to use this metal rod. So remember the small hole over here, make sure you flip number 20 out of the way first. And then the small hole here, you attach to the small hole near the end at the bottom there. Okay. Then come out to the other side and put in another stopper at the end. This is how you connect them. See, that one can move up and down already. Ignore my syringe again. One more time. Ignore my syringe. This is your number 20. So once you connect them to the hole near the end here, then it can move up and down like this. You can test.
Is it supposed to be like this?
Kimberly, the other way, Kimberly. You see that? Guys, look at the orientation here. Because this is going to scoop this way. It's going to scoop in, not out. Okay, so Kimberly, adjust again. Guys, make sure the scoop is going inward like this.
Like this?
Yes, very good.
I still can't scoop things up.
Yeah, not yet. We are going to put some syringe there so it can move it up and down. All right. Who is done combining the bucket to the crane? Eden is done. Kimberly is done. Carrie, what about you? Not yet.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, EJ is done. Shanming, what about you, Shanming? Are you done combining the bucket to the crane?
Yes.
Okay, what about Carrie? Carrie, not yet, right? Or done already? Okay, keep going. Once you're done, give teacher thumbs up like this. Okay, everyone, we wait for Carrie first. EJ, I know EJ done already. Kimberly and Eden and Shanming are done. Now we wait for Carrie. Okay, everyone else, I want you to prepare just like before. Take the metal rod and then put one stopper on one side. Just get ready for the next part.
But teacher, is it like this?
Let's see. Yes, exactly like that. Very good, Carrie. Okay, done already. Done already, right? Okay, all done? Next part. I want everyone to look carefully first, okay? We want to take metal rod and stopper like this and then two pieces of number 17. Kimberly, this is what number 17 looks like, okay? Two pieces like this. All right. Now, again, I want you to ignore teacher's syringe over here. Okay, just ignore the syringe. I want you to look at the two pointy part over here. Okay. one side, you're going to put number 17, number 20 here, put inside the big hole on number 17. Okay, on the big hole. See, this is a small hole, this is the big hole. And then the others, and then you're going to take your metal rod, you're going to put inside the small hole and into this hole. Again, one more time. That's why teacher asked you to prepare straight away. Once you have this, put this down first. And then take number 17. Number 17 has big and small hole. So the big hole, you want to put at the side of number 20 here. So on one side, you're going to put like that. And then another metal rod. This metal rod, you're going to put inside the small hole and the other hole here on the crane. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Take number 17, the big hole you put in number 20. See, that's number 20 there. Put inside the big hole and then it will come out to the other side. And then you put the other metal rod here. Okay,
I'm
Kimberly, it's
done.
done. Very good,
Yeah.
Kimberly. And then the other stopper on the other side.
Done.
Very good. So now it's easier for it to move up and down. Okay. If you want teacher to show again, let me know, okay? Cherry, EJ, and Sean. If you want teacher to show again, let me know. Okay, Kimberly is done. Terry is done. Eden is also done. Eden. Oh, Eden, I think yours, remember, I think yours is like Kimberly. Your bucket is scooping outward, not inward. Okay, can you do again? So, okay, teacher will wait for you. All right, I think EJ is done. Thank you, EJ. EJ is done. Now, after you combine the bucket over here, it will become a bit heavy here. So remember what teacher said at the start. If you want to put some glue, if you want to put double-sided tape, anything you want to put here, hot glue gun also can. So you can make sure it's tighter over here. So because this part is now heavy, this part will easily come out. So you can use a lot of glue. You can use your normal wood glue. You can use hot glue gun also can. Double-sided tape also can. So that way, this part won't come out. Alright, so turn the, okay, very good, like that. Okay, and then you put in your metal rod. Eden, hold on, okay? Eden is fixing. Okay. Easier, yes, I know. We are waiting for Eden now. Kimberly, why are you laughing? Okay, easier, I know you're done. Sean Ming also done, right?
Yes.
Okay, Terry also done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. But Eden, I think Eden almost done. Okay, now you just need to put piece number 17 to number 20.
Wait, now after I put in this one, then I just need to
Oh, wait, where's your number 20? There should be number 20 over here.
number 20
Yes.
in here.
Okay.
Here.
Can it slide in? Because
Yeah.
it should, okay, very good.
Okay.
And then you take number 17, the top part, and combine it to this. Okay? All right, everyone else, take out the syringe and then you put cable tie. So that way you combine the syringe to number 20. You guys remember how to use cable tie or not?
Yes.
Okay, remember you put the tail into the head. So this is how you are going to combine. You're going to attach the syringe to number 20. Use the cable tie. This is the bottom of the syringe. You combine here. So this syringe will be upside down because the bottom part of the syringe will be connected to number 20. See that? Okay, who's done with the cable tie? Give teacher thumbs up. Okay, Kimberly is done. Yijie is done. Thank you, Yijie.
Done.
Okay. Eden, very good. Carrie and Shanming. Shanming, what happened? I cannot see you. I cannot hear you, Shanming.
My
The
the
what?
part where the with the syringe it popped out just now, so I had to fix it.
Oh, okay. If you have any trouble, you tell teacher, okay? If you quietly try to fix yourself, it might work, it might not, but teacher don't know. So teacher will just move on and then you will miss out. So you just tell teacher, okay? If I can move on, you tell teacher. Alright, I think most of you are done already. Okay, very good. We are almost done. I want you to take some water. Look at your syringe here. See, you can still turn it down, up and down like this. So, can you like turn it sideways a little bit and take in some water? Once, like that.
You fill it with water.
Yes, fill it up with water. Once you fill it up with water, I want you to put the tip of your syringe into number 12. You see that? Number 12 is moving around here.
It won't stay.
What do you mean it won't stay?
The syringe won't stay.
Oh, like this. Put in first. Yes, put in first. Then you put this long tube connect to your syringe. So you fill up
Oh.
your syringe. Yes, see? You fill up your syringe with water and then you put the tip of your syringe into number 12. This is piece number 12 that moves around. And then only you put your long tube.
Can I go fill the water?
Yeah, sure.
Teacher, I'm not sure how to put the cable tie.
I'm sure how to put the cable tie. Okay. um, Hold on, okay? You guys continue first. Okay, who said just now? Is it Sean Mei? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Sean Mei. A cable tie. You see, one side has the head, one side has the tail, right? You can find the head and the tail, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you are going. If you want to combine something into the head, but don't put in yet. Okay. So you take the tail, put inside this hole on number 20 and wait. Oh, different way. You take the tail of your cable tie and then you put inside the hole on your syringe. So from the front, you take the tail go inside the hole on your syringe, and then from behind you make your cable tie tail go into the hole on number 20. So like this, from the syringe the tail go in, and then you turn it around, and then it will come out through the bottom here. Once it come out through number 20 here, then only you put the tail inside the head. Can you see what I mean there?
Yeah.
Okay. Again, take the tail, make it go inside the hole on the syringe, like this, make the tail go in, and then you turn it around, and then come out through the hole on number 20 there. Then you put in the tail into the head. Okay. And then you're going to fill this up with water, put the tip inside number 12, and then combine the syringe, combine the tube to the syringe. Okay, almost done already. Okay, nothing else to do after this. Just connect the tubes only. Alright, very good, Eden. Okay. Now else, look at picture first. Remember the one at the bottom here, the first syringe here, it connects to your first syringe over here. And then this one, the middle syringe, will connect to the other middle syringe. And then the last one, the long tube, you're going to connect to the third syringe. Okay. Try. You can adjust your crane to move up and down. Let me bring this up a bit, and then this one. See, the bucket can also go in and out.
Teacher,
Yes?
my second tube is not long enough to fit in here. But if I put it here, then this thing will go like up here.
Oh, I see what's wrong. Okay, the shortest tube should connect to this one. Alright, to this one, to the first syringe. So I think you may be switching the short and medium tube. So the first tube, the short one you put in the middle, right? That one is supposed to go to this syringe. Is it possible for you to take out and put back? Can, right? Okay. So this syringe is for the shortest tube. So the shortest tube will connect to the first syringe here. See, these two syringes here will be connected with a short tube. So yours is not long enough, right? Because this one is supposed to be the medium tube. So I think you need to switch these two tubes. Okay. So everyone, we are already done. What we are going to do is you're going to test this. Now remember, if you have any pieces that is a bit wrong, a bit loose, you can always put in some glue so it will look like this. See, you can make it go in and out. See, you can move your bucket. Yes, Kimberly, do you have a question?
Do we have to fill this up with water?
Oh, the one at the bottom, yes. How are you going to do that? Okay. Kimberly and Eden and everyone, the syringe below here, can you fill up with water? The syringe in the end here. Because down here, this one don't have any water yet. Because we didn't put water here. There's one way to do it. This is how I do it, okay? I want to show you how.
Yeah.
I'm going to take out the short tube here, turn it sideways, put inside my water, and then lift up the syringe. Also can.
Dropped.
What drops?
I was talking to my mom.
Oh, okay. I was worried if something in your crane fall out. Okay, you can just put in the water. Now, Eden and the rest of you, if this short tube is tube here, if it's too long because it's bending, right? So when you press, it's folding a little bit. You can cut a little bit to make it a bit shorter. Okay, if any of the wood pieces is too loose, you can put some glue in there. Okay, so that way, oops, wait. Okay, see that? Because mine, I think, is too long already. If it's too long, it will probably not work as well. Like that. See, I think my short tube is too short. It's too long. I can cut a little bit. So you guys can adjust. If you think you can put some glue there, you can put in glue. If you think no need to put glue, then no need to put glue. So this part you can adjust, see how it fits, okay? If the tube is too long, you can cut the tubes. Let's see. That one can go in, that one can go out. I can scoop this one out a bit, in a bit. So you can adjust around with this, okay? So this part you guys can do on your own. If you have any trouble, you tell teacher, okay? Kimberly, yours is, what's wrong with yours? Are you taking it apart?
This one keeps falling.
It keeps falling. Okay. All right, Kimberly, you hold on to that first. We are going to answer question now. Guys, we answer question first. And then after this, I will stay and help you fix any part that has problem. Okay? Alright, let's take out your book. Oh, it's very dark outside. It's raining now. Whoa. Guys, oh, you can put aside first. It's okay. Alright, go to page number 27 and write down these answers. See, this is your apparatus. You have wooden pieces, syringe, tubings, wheels, axles. Axle is the wooden rod, okay? So take out your book, go to page number 27. Kimberly, write down the answer first. After this, I will stay with and fix with you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, who's done writing the apparatus?
Done.
Alright, can we continue? Kimberly, what happened? Are you still doing that? Kimberly, we are going to continue now. Okay, this is the observation. When big syringe was pushed in, it will rise up and move the hydraulics. Oh, wait, let me make it bigger. It will rise up and move the hydraulic arm and vice versa. The smaller syringe has smaller cross-sectional area, therefore the efficient pressure applied on it was much higher than the larger one. So you guys write down the observation, the conclusion also. Once
I
you're done,
haven't-
give me thumbs up.
I haven't finished the first one.
Okay, there you go. Quickly, okay? All right, when you're done, give me thumbs up. What's wrong? Your iPad fell down?
Oh.
Done.
Okay, you did very fast, Kiddo.
Space to put on the second to write the second thing on the observation.
Oh, okay. Lydia, Sean Ming, and Carrie
Yeah.
can continue now? Or not yet?
What page are we in?
We are page number 28.
What?
Is that correct, guys? Is that correct? Page 28, right?
Page 19. 19.
Oh,
Yeah. Page 19.
oh, sorry. Wait, that one was from last week, right? Or is it this week? Because you have 2 weeks you're doing this, right?
No, hydraulic crane part 2 is 19.
Oh, wait, this is wrong. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, then page number 19.
I'm not finished.
So let me tell teacher Azurul. Okay.
I'm not finished.
Almost. Not done yet?
Yeah.
Okay. We don't have a lot of questions today.
Done.
Okay, Kimberly is done. Yiju, Shanming, and Carrie?
No.
Not yet. Okay, do you still have a lot to write?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, very good. Shanming is done. Is it okay if we continue first? Those of you who are not done yet, you
No,
guys.
can you give me only 5 minutes?
5 minutes? That's a lot of time.
How about 3 minutes?
Okay, what if we continue and then after everything is done, I will show you back, can or not? What you missed. Can, right? That way, we can go much faster. You see this? Okay, this is the next part. Next part is almost done. So I just show your friend the next part. And then after this, I will show you back, okay? Only for you. Okay, Carrie? Alright, questions. Which of the following fluids will smoothen the motion of the hydraulic crane? You see, you can use air, you can use water, you can use oil. All of them you can use, but if you use air, air is easily compressible. Then if you press, it won't really come out on the other side. Water you can use also, oil you can also use, but if you use water, then the movement will be more smooth. So if you use oil, then the movement will be more smooth. So the answer is C. You can still use water, but the most accurate answer will be C because the oil will make it even more smooth. Now, number 2 and number 3, you see this? If you want to lift up the lorry by itself, see the arrow, you want to lift up the lorry. So this is what you have to do. You have to press down on this side. And then which piston you need to use is this one. This is the safe piston. This is the side you want to use. Do you want to use the big one or the big size piston or small size piston? So for this one, you want to choose A because the smaller size piston, you need to press a little bit only. Can you imagine if you have to press the piston that is this big, you will need more energy. So if you use smaller piston, you will need less energy. So the answer is A. So make sure you write C, A, and then make the arrow here. This is the Pascal's law. The law that you use, that the Ali used to lift up the lorry, that's the Pascal's law. So this one, you just need to calculate. There's already a formula here. This is pressure, this is the force, and force 1, and force 2. So the answer is this. If you push energy over here, so you need the force and the area for the first part over here equals to the force and the area over here. So you know already for this part, this side, force is 50 Newton. So you put 50 on top of here. See here, you put 50, and then down here, the area is 1 square centimeter. So here is 1, on top is 50. And then the next side here is 50 also. 50 square centimeter. 50 is down here. 50 square. So you need to find out the F over here. This is mathematics, you see. You see that? So 50 over 1 equals to F. We don't know the force on the other side. So right now, we already know the force on this side. We already know the force here and the area over here. Now we need to know the force on the other side. We already know the area over here. So you already know this is 50, this is 1, and this area here is 50. This area on this side. So we just need to find out the answer here. So this is the equation. So if you use 50 Newton of energy to press, and then you can lift up on the other side 2,500 Newton of energy. So that's why if one side is small, the other side, the piston is big, you just need to use a small amount of energy, you can lift up a very big car. This is the equation. I know this one a bit confusing also, we're not learning about mathematics. So
Thank goodness.
So you just write down this one.
My mind for.
I know, because this one, if you learn about this, you will learn about calculation lah. But if you will learn even more about this when you get to, I think, secondary school. Secondary school will have more of this. How do you calculate them? Okay, this one just for information. Yes, what is it?
This is an algebra, right?
Yes, this is in algebra.
Oh,
So you already have the equation, got one space, it's empty. So how do you
yeah,
arrange
I'm
all the
learning that
answers?
now, but I don't know what
Yeah,
this
you're
is. I
learning
don't
that
know.
now. A lot of your friends haven't yet. So that's why I'm just letting you know the answer for this,
Okay.
okay? All right. Once you are done, I'm going to show this to Carrie again. Carrie, this one, I'll show you this, okay? So the rest of you, if you have any issue with your hydraulic cranes, remember what teacher say. You can cut your tubes a bit short. You can use glue. You can use hot glue gun also can. So it will not move at all. You can use a lot of types of glue, uhu glue or wood glue. If got any trouble, you can fix them, okay? If
But
you
how does
anything
this
you
work?
want to ask teacher now, anything you want to ask teacher now, what is it?
What is it supposed to do? How do I know it works?
All right, you have the syringe, right? You put the water in already. Okay, let me
Yeah.
turn this around. Okay, Eden, can see? Just
Yep.
using the syringe, I can make it go in and out. I can make it scoop. See that? If I
Oh,
press the third one, the third syringe, it will lift up or down for the bucket. The second syringe can make this part go up and down. The first syringe can make this part go up and down like this also. So once you try this, you try already, you see all the parts moving, right? But you can see maybe this part keeps coming out. Then this part you can put some glue and then wait until it dries. And then if the first tube here you think it's too long, you can cut a little bit. That one all you can adjust on your own. Okay?
okay. Okay.
Okay, if you uh,
Thank you.
you managed to make it move around, right, Eden?
Yeah, I managed to make it move around.
Okay, see, just by using this, just by controlling the difference range, you
Yeah.
can make it move by using hydraulics. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Finish with all the questions already.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Those of you who are done with the questions, you can leave. Those of you who need help, you can stay. All right, Kimberly, what happened? Oh, is it this one?
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Bye. Shanming done already? Carrie done already?
No.
Okay, you write down the answers here, okay? Which part got problem? Alright, let me see. Kimberly, you remember how to fix, right? Or not sure? You want teacher to show? Oh, okay, very good. That's correct. And then once you put in, then only you connect the tube. Kimberly, if it will make it easier, you can take out the whole thing like this. You can lift this whole thing up. See that, Kimberly? You can lift this whole thing up so it'll be easier for you to connect the tube. You can also do that. If you don't want, you can find another way, also can. Okay, because you need to connect this range because you put here already, right? That's range. And then you connect the shortest tube to the first range over here. Okay. So remember, Kimberly, if
I didn't put any water.
oh wait, it already came out. It's easier for you to put in water once it came out. It already came out, right? If the syringe came out, you put water first, then only you combine them. Okay. Carrie, what's wrong?
I'm in conclusion. I'm almost done.
Oh, you are writing. Your hydraulic crane is done already, right?
Oh, yeah, but I'm almost done with writing.
Okay, you just need to write the answers. Okay, okay, Ken.
Okay.